Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and I got a weekly bonus for you with regard to roofing. I've got a roofing company, and so I'm always jumping on roofing in addition to a lot of other things. But I want to talk about underlayment real quickly. We've got two houses here. One house has an oil-based underlayment, which they call a felt, and over there we've got a synthetic. Okay, I want to talk to you about the benefits of the synthetic over the oil base. I've re-roofed a lot of roofs. I've pulled up tile on a lot of tile homes. After about a few years, the oil-based felt on this roof, it's going to curl up and dry and crack. And if any water gets behind or underneath that tile roof, it's going to come hit that curled up felt, run horizontally along the house, and more than likely it's going to find another spot, another way to get into the home. I've seen a lot of leaks with this type of felt. The difference is that one there doesn't dry, it doesn't curl up like that, and it's going to stay flat for the life of that tile. What's the difference in cost? This is about 5 cents a square foot. That's about 16 to 18 cents a square foot. Now, if you know you're never going to have any problems, you choose quality first, time. It's the same time to install. In fact, that's easier to install than cost. If you go to cost on everything, like I keep telling you, you're going to pay for it down the road. Now, this here's about a 7-12 pitch roof. I'm not too worried about it. We live in a very, very dry climate. We do get some monsoons, but when it leaks, it's going to leak because of the felt, not for particularly any other reason, more than likely. So I didn't catch this soon enough. This is a friend of mine's home. I didn't have time to get out here, but you can see the difference. Choose your felt underlayment, like you see over there, which is a synthetic, and it's got some good mesh in it. It's really strong. And then don't choose your felt. Even on asphalt shingles, don't put the felt down. I know it's cheap. You think you're going to save some money, but if you got a problem, and there's always going to be a problem sometime, avoid that felt at all costs. Again, this is Keith Gauss with How to Build Your Own Home.